So तू म्हणत अशें की that interpretation itself is wrong. So they have interpreted that they can on their own they can revoke that. In fact, it is said that you have to follow that total procedure which is laid down by under the Passport Act. One thing is this. Second thing आता this हे आसा ते आता हाजेर कितें तरी उपाय काडपाक जाय न्ही. सो कितें अशें हे जाल्या प्रयत्न जाल्यात. Because आता हे म्हणटा ते this decision has to be challenged before the court. Yeah.
उपाय म्हणजे कितें आता now we have to first is we are trying to go to the government officials like NRA Commission, Sarvaikar, Sripad Nayak, even the CM. We will take this delegation and go to them and make an appeal to them so that they can they can MEA Minister of External Affairs जाकडे उलोवन एक कितें solution काडूंक जाता. आनी Francisco Sardina has already एक letter घातल्या to the Minister of External Affairs asking for amnesty period or an amnesty provision. So AMCA the OCI diupak. So efforts are going on this side to appeal to the government so that they can appeal to the MEA on behalf of the people to find a solution. Second solution is we are also looking at the legal option. As far as I know, already one person has already filed a case
in Mumbai High Court.
In the High Court.
Mumbai High Court.
In the Mumbai High Court.
Yeah.
And already the High Court has told MEA to reply or respond to the points raised within 4 months, within four weeks. And the hearing will be on 16th to February 2024.
Okay.
So things are already moving on one side. But I think that here there are two issues. I mean, focus only on the revocation.
Revocation and OCI.
So, revocation is one part. Revocation, because see, I want to bring to light two things that MEA, when you bring a circular, it's an internal circular. When you change something, people must be made aware. See, here what has happened is, you just look at this case. Before the circular, you all were issuing them a surrender certificate with a penalty. And just one day after the circular, all things change. You all are revoking them and you are not giving them the right to apply. It is not fair. It is arbitrary in nature. It is discriminatory in nature.
Yeah.
The same offence, here before the circular, you are rewarding them with a OCI, and after the circular, you are punishing them with a revocation
And if this is this आमची yardstick जर लायली जाल्यार पयली पासून जे penalty घाल्ले they are illegal. That is illegal.
Yeah, पयली पासून illegal जालें. You rewarded them. My thing is what? Okay, you now after the Kerala High Court said this, and you all brought the circular in, you all should have given a time frame for people before suddenly doing these things. Understand, in such a harsh manner. You all should have given an amnesty period or informed the people on a gazette or a public domain saying that, Baba, we are now from another 6 months onwards, we are going to revoke these passports. Anybody is there, please do come forward, pay a penalty and get your surrender certificate. So that would have given people time. It is like I was telling you just before that. It is like I'm so helmet as a kaida. Helmet as a kaida, we all know. If you don't put a helmet, you are liable for a fine. So and you pay the fine and you can go. So we know that, all citizens know. Tu ratiyan tor internal circular हाडलो, लोकांक कांय पडोंक ना. रातियान भितर दुसऱ्या दिसा तूं लोकांक circular that says from tomorrow it will be there won't be any fine. We'll confiscate your vehicle and we'll put you into jail. लोकांक कशें कळटलें? People are not aware of this fact. So there is definitely a communication problem here. And the people are not at fault. It is because this such a huge thing must come out in the public domain. Because look, OCI में होता काय problem ना म्हणून लोक चिंतूंक वचोना. आता पळय सगळे awareness जाले. आता people will be aware.
Yeah.
They will not allow to. Now nobody will go to cancel the passport.
Either they will not register their birth in Portugal, or if they register Portugal, then from that day they will inform the birth.
Or they will not go. Now they will not go to renew their passport. Indian passport, they will allow to lapse.
Okay.
These are the options now for the people. The दूसरा point है जो okay, the revocation, forget it. They have revoked the passport, fine. But why should
OCI?
Why should I be rejected my right to obtain an OCI? That is the question here. आता OCI कोणाक केला? a citizen of Indian origin. Actually, this OCI is made for people who are residing in other countries. They settled a long time back there. आणि तिंगा ते रावला कितल्या वर्सां बट तेंचे मूळ इंडिया का
मूळ प्रॉपर्टीज
they are from their great grandfather was many families went before like that, no? They settled somewhere, they are citizens of that country. So but तेंचे मूळ their great grandfathers were in India. Now citizenship, the OCI is if you can prove that your grandfather or great grandfather was from India, not only go anywhere, India, you are entitled to OCI. The Indian government even allows dual citizenship of other countries. But two countries, you are a citizen of Portugal and you are a citizen of UK. Even those people are entitled for an OCI, provided he can show his origin. And now you are punishing these people who are in Goa, India. They are here only, they have their residences here, and you are saying we cannot give you an OCI.
But ताका लागून कितें panicky situation जाला.
People are that is why people are in a panic situation, no? Because तुमका visa देना allo फाटी, so just not even a stay visa, you are told to go out of the country. But now it is changing. That I know that they are now issuing the X1 visa. So there was a lot of panic around, and that's why they were afraid what to do.
So तुझे कोतान now government has to act.
Government definitely has to act because this is in the interest of public. There's an election coming forward, and these kind of issues can create havoc. See, especially in the south. Catholic Sashtiche Khabari, and I think the government has to resolve this quickly. So that amnesty period दिया and जे कोण affect झाल्या त्यांका provision दिया OCI चे पहिले दिताले तुम्ही आता कितें what's the big difference.
So ह्याच नोटाचेर आमी हांगा थांबया. तुमकां आमच्या ह्या चर्चेंतल्यान कळ्ळां आसतलें की हो इशू असो दिसता तितलो सोंपो न्ही. हाका सामके वेगवेगळे एंगल्स आसात आनी हातूंत सगळ्याकाय पयलीं म्हणटे गोवा गव्हर्मेंट एंड इंडियन गव्हर्मेंट, सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट, ते बोथ हॅज टू कम टुगेदर एंड एक बरें सोल्युशन हाजेर येवपाक जाय. ना जाल्यार गोंयांतले जे आमचे पयलींच कॅथलिक्स जे आसात ते 32% पाविल्ले आसात. दॅट आनीक जर हे जाल्यार दॅट सगळो सोसायटी इम्बॅलन्स जावपाक शकता. दॅट इज हे सगळें चड हे आमचे गोंयांतले भितरलो जो गोंयकारपण आहा तेच ऑन द स्टेक आसा अशें दिसता पळोवपाक. सो गव्हर्मेंटान हाजेर कितें तरी सोल्युशन काडचें अशें सगळे लोकांची मागणी आसा. आनीक ही मागणी आतां मान्य जावपाक लोकां गव्हर्मेंटान प्रयत्न करचे अशें सगळ्यांची मागणी आसा. गव्हर्मेंट करतले अशें आमी आस्त बाळगुया. कॅनडी बाब, तूं हांगा आयलो, तुवें हे जो हो इशू आसा ताजे खोलायेन लोकांक ताजे परिणाम कितें जावपाक शकतात ताजेर म्हायती दिली. गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या वतीन तुमकां तुमचे उपकार मानतात आनी सगळ्याक म्हणटात देव बरें करूं.